Okay, so here's some order of operations practice problems. First one we have here is 20 plus 3 times 5 minus 1. Now remember, order of operations. Okay, so obviously this didn't work out. We're going to go ahead and delete this, and I'm going to type it for you. Let me see if oh yeah. So first we do G for grouping symbols. What are some grouping symbols? They are parentheses. We also have bracket or brackets. Then we need to do some exponents. Now, exponents are squares or cubes or something like that. We do multiplication or division, and then we do addition or subtraction. Now remember, with addition and subtraction, we always move from left to right. From left to right. We never move from right to left. Just like reading. Think of reading. So let's put an arrow here to left to right. Oh, is it going to show up? Left to right. Oh, in that direction, just like reading. Okay, so let's get started with this problem. 20 plus 3 times 5 minus 1. So what are we going to do first? Well, there is grouping symbols. They're parentheses. They're right here. And those grouping symbols are 5 minus 1. So what is 5 minus 1? 5 minus 1 is 4. Now, I like to keep whatever's in the grouping symbols in the grouping symbols, and I just rewrite the whole problem around those grouping symbols. Now, what's next? We don't have any exponents, so we can go ahead and cancel that. We do have multiplication or division. We have multiplication right here. Remember, when a number is written next to a number and it's in parentheses, it just means to times it. So we have 20 plus 3 times 4. Well, what's 3 times 4? 3 times 4 is 12. Then, like I said, I just like to rewrite the whole rest of the problem. 20 plus 12. Now we do addition or subtraction, or the only thing left. 20 plus 12 is 32, and that is our final answer. Now notice, with order of operations problems, I like to call this the upside down pyramid. You'll always get an upside down pyramid like this. I like to call it the upside down pyramid. I've also heard it as the upside down birthday cake, if you think of these as tiers of a birthday cake, but I like pyramid. So you know you're doing it right when your expression or equation is getting smaller. Let's try another one. Okay, so number 2, we have 3 plus 2 squared, and in parentheses we have 1 plus 8. Now in this one we do have an exponent, and it's right here. It's that 2 squared. The exponent is the second 2 right here. So first things first, let's make this a little bit bigger. We do grouping symbols. Now remember, grouping symbols are either parentheses or either kinds of these brackets. We do have grouping symbols here. It's 1 plus 8. What's 1 plus 8? Well, 1 plus 8 is just 9. Now, like I said, I like to keep these in parentheses just to kind of separate. We rewrite the rest of it, our 2 squared plus 3. Now, exponents. In this one we do have exponents. And what is our exponents again? It's 2 squared. What's 2 squared? 2 squared is 4, or 2 times 2. Now again, I just rewrite the rest of the problem around that. So I rewrite that 9, and I rewrite that 3. So, next thing, multiplication or division. Yes, indeed, we do have it. 4 times 9, remember, when they're written next to each other. Oops. How do we do this? Undo. When we're written next to each other like this, it just really means 4 times 9. And what's 4 times 9? That's 36. And we still have this add 3 to do at the end. Even though, if you notice here, it started at the beginning, we do it at the very end. Look, the 3 comes all the way down here. So 3 plus 36, and our final answer is 39. Now again, we get that upside down pyramid. Let's change our color. We'll do teal. We get that upside down pyramid looking, or birthday cake, right? So we know that our final answer is right. We'll put a box around it. Yay!